Everybody loves to hear that they've performed a job well done, and we are no exception. Our goal is to give every customer 5-star service, and it usually results in our customers sharing their experience with the world. Take a look at what one of our customers said about us. And here's what our customer had to say in our latest online review. Our staff works hard to deliver top quality service and optimal value. It's just one more bit of evidence that we're on the right track with our company-wide emphasis on quality and client satisfaction. So let us put our thousands of hours of dedication, experience, and 5-star customer service to work for you today. We'd love the opportunity to earn a great review from you too. Simply call the number on your screen if we can help you. We look forward to serving you. Thanks for watching.